Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel UET Sciences. Today I will teach you how to fix the no libraries found problem in the Proteus software. That when you open the Proteus software and go into the library section, a option came in front of you that no libraries found. So how to fix this problem and how to bring the libraries in your Proteus software? We just go out of this software. Right click on this on the icon of the software, go into the properties section and open the compatibility and click on the run this program as an administrator, so that we are now running our software as an administrator. Okay it and close this window and then reopen your software. Give it the permission, yes, and it will take a while to open, a few more seconds to open the new project, so we have to wait for a while. You can see that it has been written initializing the project. Now we can change the name of our own choice. Next and finish. So now you will see that all libraries will come. Yes, here you can see that when I click on the P option, or either I can click on the L option, both option will give me the libraries. So here I can write any of the component which I want to bring it out. So for example, if I write 555 timer IC, so you can see that it is now present in your software. So all the libraries will come now have been come in your software. So the problem which was coming that no libraries found is now resolved. So friends, I hope that this video you will like this video. So like this button, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in next video in a few days.